that's just too bad.
We're gonna remodel the house.
Oh, you're remodeling.
Yeah, why?
Well, lucky for you, because here at Fresh Paint USA, we have the freshest paint for the freshest prices.
Oh, you work at Fresh Paint.
Oh, no, that's not what I meant.
You're mine.
Hello? It was a joke. Hello? Hello?
Hey, I'm Adrian, the new guy.
Nice to meet you.
This is my life, man. I'm so excited about this stuff. You look friendly, man. You're really nice. I think we could be really good friends, man.
I'm sorry.
Why?
Hey! Who's Adrian?
I'm Adrian. It's my first day. It's good to be here.
I'm not gonna do a thing. I'll show you.
Asked why are you running at? Hey, what's going on, man?
Get back here.
Fresh Paint USA.
Oh yeah, hey, my mom wants an order refill.
Is that the only thing your mom wants, Claire?
Hey, do you have an envelope I can borrow?
You're welcome.
Married, have kids.
And that's just too bad.
We're gonna remodel the house.
Oh, you're remodeling.
Yeah, why?
Well, lucky for you, because here at Fresh Paint USA, we have the freshest paint for the
Edward!
freshest prices.
You taking a
you
nap
work at
again?
Fresh Paint.
You better pick up the slack or you're done here.
No, that's not what I meant.
Yes, boss.
Fine.
Hello?
Hi, Fresh Paint USA. This
was
is
a joke.
Edward
Hello?
speaking. Would you like to buy
Hello?
Fresh Paint USA? No, sir, calm down. I'm just one bucket,
I'm Adrian,
half price. How's
the new
that?
guy.
No, ma'am, I don't want to hear about your problems. I'm just trying to sell
I
paint.
just want to know what he's up to.
Hi, Fresh Paint USA. I was wondering if you wanted to purchase a bucket.
Too expensive, man. That's too
Oh,
expensive.
no way. That's awesome.
Hold on,
Thank you for...
Hey, it's Mario. Is this Oscar?
Yes, this is Oscar.
Hey, I got your money. $2 million, just like you asked.
$2 million? My $2 million?
Hey, not so fast. I need to know my cousin is alive, then you get your money.
Okay. Yeah, you got a deal. Who's your cousin again?
Very funny. Look, I know Felipe made a big mistake, and I'm not defending what he did, but he's family. Just put him on the phone.
Hey, you listen to me. I'm the boss. I call the shots.
You know who you're talking to? I'm the boss. I meant no disrespect. I just want to make sure he's okay.
You want to see if your cousin's okay?
Yes.
Well, make it quick, okay?
Okay.
Hey, come here, Felipe. Hello?
Felipe, primo, ¿eres tú? ¿Te lastimaron?
Sí.
Lo sabía, estos cobardes. Dime la verdad, ¿es todo el dinero que te llevaste?
No.
¿Cuánto más? ¿Más de 2 millones?
Sí.
¿En serio?
Sí. Okay, that's enough talking. You know why?
I'm not finished.
Because I call the shots. I'm the boss.
Not finished.
Right, Felipe?
Don't say it, Felipe.
You're the boss, senor. Exactly.
I'm the boss. Don't you dare hurt my cousin.
You're not gonna do a thing because I'm the boss.
Don't
You're
forget
the boss.
who's once your boss.
You think you're the boss? I'm the boss.
I'm a boss too.
What are you gonna do, huh?
We'll have your dad on the
I want my
floor,
money.
swear.
Just because of that, I'm gonna double it, okay?
And you know who you messing with?
It's really
Just
getting me
because of
mad.
that, it's 3 million now, okay? My name is
Look, I have the
Oscar.
money, Oscar.
Oscar
Stop wasting
Montana.
time here. I just want to see
I'm
my
the
cousin
boss.
again.